Hi friends, welcome to Abs Under 5 Minutes. All you'll need is yourself and your mat, and let's go ahead and get started in the center of our mat on our hands and knees. Knees under hips, hands under shoulders, and spin the eye of the elbow forward towards the top of the mat. You're gonna curl your toes and lift your knees to hover. We're gonna inhale, drop our hips to the side. Exhale, scoop the belly in, lift the hips up all the way over to the other side. Inhale down, exhale up. Just moving side to side. For modification, you can do this with your knees down. This is my favorite way to warm up. Just moving side to side. The key here is to get your breath involved. You're exhaling, squeezing the belly in on the way up. Every time, inhaling down, exhaling up. We're doing this about 20 times, 10 on each side. You can get just as good of a workout with your knees down. If you need the modification, please do take it. And go ahead and bring your knees down on the mat. We're going to turn around, lie down on our backs. You can grab a weight if you'd like a challenge for this. We're going to do reverse crunches. I'm going to grab my 25-pounder. And I'm going to grab a blanket. Bring my weight as close as I can to my thighs. I'll lift my legs up. I'm going to point my toes. And I'm going to inhale. Exhale, lift my hips up. Just doing this for 20 times. We're at about 10. And 15. And let go. You're gonna bring your weight to the side if you have one. Oh, my hairband came out. We're gonna come around again. This time, we're gonna come onto the balls of our feet. You can always do bent leg variation for this. Come down on the forearms. I'm gonna do the twists again, hip dips. Inhale down to the side. Exhale, lift your belly up and come over to the other side. I slightly bend my knees as I come down. Keep your toes together side by side. Just going side to side, 20 times. Should be feeling it right about now. I know I'm feeling it, especially after those reverse crunches. Okay, that's about 20. Go ahead and turn around. Moving into scissor crunches. You're gonna bring your hands behind your head. You're gonna lift your shoulders off the mat. Bring your knees up above your hips. Inhale. We're gonna use a passive breath for this. So every time you switch legs, you're gonna turn to the side as you exhale. So go ahead and start with an inhale. Exhale, right knee to left, knee straight through the right. And the left side. And the right side. And the left side. Exhaling each time, just 20 times. Breathing out every time. Bring the elbow past the knee and twist. Exhaling, squeeze the belly in. And let it go. That was about 20, maybe a little more. Take a deep breath. And exhale. And we're gonna finish off with one round of reverse crunches. So go ahead and grab your weight if you do. And for 20, inhale. Exhale, lift your shoulders up and lift. You can keep your shoulders down for modification. If you want a little bit of a crunch, bring your shoulders up. Exhaling every time you lift. And 20. Nicely done. Go ahead and put your weight out to the side. And that concludes our 5-minute abs. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I hope to see you again soon.